So I convinced my little sister to help me out. She's got to change because she's got to look perfect. Then you have me who's like, I don't give a fuck. Sorry, pardon my French. It's really good French. I know great French. I know a lot of French words. We're gonna do a burping contest, me and my little sister. Who the last time we did a burping contest was a year ago, I think. Hope, was it a year ago?
Yeah. And
I drank so much drink that I got sick. And that one wasn't on video because I didn't have my channel then. And I gotta go get something to drink.
Face.
So we just did a whole 5-minute long thing, and then I realized I had played the recording again. So I'm gonna do all that again. Because I'm dramatic, and I had fun, and I didn't care who saw me, which is probably because it wasn't recording.
That's sad.
I thought it was recording.
I need to get about my life.
The door's open because the cat's not here. Oh, she's here, but she's in my grandma's room. My grandma's out at the store right now, I think. I don't know where she went.
She gave me this bottle.
She was gone when I woke up. I woke up at noon for the
And I did the dishes, which you were supposed to do.
What's today? It's Friday. What do I do?
I don't know, Dave.
Yeah, I was supposed to do the dishes, but I wasn't awake and you did them while I was asleep. That wasn't my fault.
I had nothing else to do. I was so scared at my computer.
Me and her cannot do burping contests when my grandmother is here because ladies don't burp.
Apparently the whole.
And stop, or I'll make you get out of the spinning chair. According to her, ladies also don't spit, but that's because she doesn't know how to spit. Which is why I do the contest when I go to my brother's. She's got Kool-Aid of some sort. I got sweet tea. Yeah, but we recorded a 5-minute long thing and didn't realize it wasn't recording until just now.
No, you didn't even know.
Shush! So this is Matt Disney about Salem and Louise, because I have to have something playing and I will be singing it and then I'll get distracted. Yeah. I'm at Disney. They tricked me, huh? Wishing on a shooting star. Now I'm 20-something. I still want nothing. Who I am or what I'm not. So call me up with some news, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love teaches false. 'Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love. Sometimes happy love turns into giving up. I felt hurt love, I felt good love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love?
I don't like that.
Can we tell?
No. Did you light last night?
Uh-huh.
You know when you said I lit a candle? It's like slime.
I don't know where I put the matches.
It's like slime. Skylar, it's slime, literally.
Where did I put the matches?
I don't know. I don't pay attention to you. I'm sitting in the middle of the night. I'm with my phone all night till it dies. My computer. Come on. Now times 50. It's in the big cabinet in the kitchen.
You go get it then?
No, I'm too lazy. Break it up, kill you. Literally, I won't.
I seriously do not know where I put those. Disney, they tricked me. No more wishing on a shooting star. That was Matt at Disney with Salem and Louise. It's the third song I've done of it. Oh, thank you.
Kids have me one. Don't kids all box of those.
I just
I want one.
No, you cannot light a match.
I want to. I'm going to light a match. I want to.
No.
Yes. Yes, I want to. Is it slime in there? Looks like there's Lisa.
grandmother's room. I'm going to do what I did last night. I'm going to spray Windex in
I've
my room.
had 58. I have 58 minutes to talk to a boy. So,
I'm going to do what I did and spray Windex everywhere like I did last night.
Windex.
Because the Febreze is in Mimi's room. But yeah, I lit this because I did a cover of This Is Halloween.
Jeez.
I have a big mouth.
You're not afraid to be yourself on this channel.
I don't care. And during the video, I was like doing this and testing how high my finger could go above the flame. But yes, I will have to put this out in a minute because I don't know how long till my grandmother gets home. As you can see, it's emitting smoke, which is not good because A, smoke detectors, and B, I'm not supposed
Don't
to
smoke toes in this house with all. Wait,
You want to blow it out? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year!
It's going to be Monday at the end of the year. That's it.
Can you spray that Febreze? It didn't smoke this much last night. I just do this.
You mean Windex?
Yeah, that. What did I say, Febreze?
Yeah. How can
I should have considered that I got it in my drink, but who cares? It's okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Hope I don't want to die from the smell of Windex.
I can't smell anything.
Lucky you. Maybe you can smell smoke from a mile away, but you can't tell when I've been lighting matches in here every night, 3 nights in a row.
Well, I don't do it last night.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
When I kept walking out of my room and walking back in, I was thinking if you could still smell the smoke.
No.
I'm about to die of that smell. Holy. Ugh.
Windex?
Oh, talk to them for a second.
No. I need to talk to a boy. Hurry up. I want to talk to him before I turn 50.
Well, then start drinking and burping.
You do it too then.
Where'd I put my drink?
I don't know.
How do I do this?
Right there.
Oh.
It
Thanks.
always happens to me somehow.
Drink.
Mine's already gone almost.
I'm good.
Yep.
I'll call Ambica while we do this. My room smells heavily of chemicals. There's a self, never let Hope spray Windex.
Well, it's your fault. You let me. What are you doing? What's the answer?
I don't know, I'm about to find out. Just calling.
Okay, I filled up.
Hi. So me and Hope are literally making a video at the moment. We're doing a burping contest.
It's recording now.
Yeah. Ambica said hi. Because my room smells heavily of chemicals at the moment because I lit a match to light a candle. And then to hide the smell, we can't find Febreze because it's in my grandma's room, so we sprayed Windex. And I drank almost this whole thing of tea. And Hope refuses to talk to the camera. And she drank 3 of those glass bottles of Kool-Aid. Hope to hi to Ambica.
Hi. I just want to smoke.
See? It's okay. I do it every night. Mimi never notices, so probably because I trap myself in here with the smell of smoke. But,
The way I'm asking you.
If you get to come over anytime soon or whatever, we have a video idea, or I do. You're gonna do it with us.
what is it?
Ignore me.
Oh.
Don't laugh challenge.
This has to fall out sooner or later. The string has to fall out.
Hope, stop holding it like that if you know the string's gonna fall out. This video was going on almost 10 minutes long because we thought we were recording for 5 minutes, but we weren't. It was paused.
When can we stop burping and stop making stop waiting?
You can burp. I'm talking while I drink. She's getting bread.
Lead.
Yes. Oh, and you can follow her. This is the second video. This is my 3rd video of the day. And the second time I've mentioned your channel today. She just edits of videos. Edits of things. Edits? Just edit.
Edit. Edit.
Get your feet off my bed. Edits. Alright, just
I'll put it in your face. How about that? Was that better? I'll put it in your face.
see how I'm treated. She's better than my brother is.
And he's a boy. Why? It's impossible.
I swear he's a femboy though.
Yeah.
And he'll admit to
He's
it.
a sissy.
Help, that's mean. You can't call your brother a sissy.
It's true.
You can't call your brother a sissy on a channel that
A
our mother
girl
sees.
is more manly than him.
A what?
A girl is more manly than him.
That is kind of true.
That's so accurate.
Because there was a rat under his bed and he screamed, jump on top of the bed and started videotaping it. And then then you have me who just said just leave it alone.
Okay, that's go now in a minute. I need a pop socket today.
I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Don't do it. If you do in the bathroom.
I'm not gonna puke. I refuse to puke.
You do it in the bathroom if you're going to. And do it in the sink, not the toilet.
I refuse to puke. I also refuse to lose this challenge. I cannot lose a burping challenge to a
How
10-year-old.
can we win?
By having the bigger burp.
I thought it was. Well, oh, great.
I'm not going to puke.
She better not puke. I'm going to kill her. Second time this year.
Will you shush? That was a year and a half ago. And I drank over a gallon of drink then.
No, you didn't. You drank less than a gallon. Not about one bottle of the rum.
Hello.
Why do you need that?
Why do I need this?
Yeah.
Because I have push pins and other sharp things in it. This is where I keep them as of yesterday.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
So the video's still recording. And that's where I just walk down the room. Let's hope. Stop spinning in the chair.
Holy, what up? I want
Bart.
to text a boy.
You can text a boy later.
I told him to text me at 2.
At 2.
He's older than me.
It's
It's
1:10. How
about
much older?
5 years older than me.
Who is he?
I don't know.
Then why the fuck you texting him?
Jack.
Jack.
Mm.
And got a little help here.
Wait, no.
Texting a dude she doesn't know.
2 years older.
Who's 2 years older than her and named Jack. That's all she knows about him. Give me your phone now.
It's dead.
I don't care. Give it.
No.
Let me look through it.
No.
Trying to think of what I would do if me was texting someone 2 years older.
That she only knows their first name as well.
You live in North Carolina.
And they live in North Carolina. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to pause this video. I'm through a game.
Sword.
Oh,
Oh, wait.
Amka said you know him in person.
Do you think I met him? He's in North Carolina. Do you have time to go there? I'm have to go to Virginia. Gee! You should have. Oh, this thing.
I know, I recorded it for a reason.
What he looks like though, see a picture.
Do you know what he looks like?
No.
My little sister is getting catfished.
No, absolutely no. I've known him for a few years. I know him for a few years.
Yeah, so people can lie about ages on names all the time. Trust me, I've talked to a few older guys who are supposed to be just a few years older than me, and Amika knows how that turned out.
Our truth is about to break.
Yeah. But I was so happy this morning when I woke up.
You guys did like good seance last night?
I did not do a seance.
It looked like it.
I sang "This Is Halloween" and I used a candle as light.
That sounds like a seance.
It does.
I want to do a seance.
We should do that for a video.
It told you like 50 minutes. It was at 69 after 70, like 59 minutes.
Me and my brother were gonna do one, but my sister told us not to summon any demons in our nanny's house.
Summon any
But,
demons.
Hope, do you want to burp so I can hurry up and win this contest? So I'm guessing I won because she just walked out.
No. Here's my other drink.
Hurry up. I've literally been talking to my friend and I'm still beating you. I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Good.
But I beat her, so.
Make me look.
Fuck, that was a lot of sweet tea. I don't know, just drink it and hurry up.
You're not the only one about to puke, though.
Then stop drinking it. I don't want you to
I
puke.
want to win. I don't want anything.
You apparently want an online boyfriend that you don't know. I don't feel good.
Me either. I'm gonna die.
How?
Drop some of your tea.
I haven't eaten anything. All I've had is sweet tea.
Spitting grapes.
Yes, you win. I'm about to puke.
And she said I win because she feels like she's about to puke. So, turn your disadvantages into your advantages.